May Mobility is an autonomous vehicle company. We partner with cities and businesses to deploy our autonomous vehicles to hopefully make cities more convenient, more accessible, and safer for people to get around and go to the places they need to get to.
When people are using these services, it allows there to be less cars on the road, less parking spaces occupied, and help keep pedestrians and drivers safe.
Every year in the U.S., about 40,000 people die as a result of automobile accidents. And autonomous vehicle technology has the capability to drastically reduce that number.
The city of Detroit has always been the motor city, and it's known for the last 100 years as being the motor city. For the first time in multiple decades, we have had an increase in population, which is super positive. But we've also noticed that older adults and people with disabilities were living in certain areas that were being underserved. We started looking at solutions to those problems.
The reality of the situation when it comes to transportation is the fact that not everyone has the ability to go wherever they need to get to when they need to do so. And that's part of the beauty of autonomous vehicles, is we're giving people accessibility, we're giving them freedom to get to wherever they need to get to, whether it be recreation, whether it be doctor's appointments, or to the grocery store.
My mom can't drive anymore. In her mind, she knows how powerful this will be for people who are in the situation like her, where that mobility is something that everybody can access very easily.
I had to give up driving due to vision issues. The idea of having flexibility as a senior when you don't drive is really important. If you're grocery shopping, for example, I don't have to be looking at my watch going, oh, the service is going to pick me up in 5 minutes, to decide at the last minute that I want to go somewhere, and I can do it. It's almost like being able to drive.
Connectivity is absolutely critical to what we do. You want to make sure that it is connected at all times, it's operating safely. So having that low latency connection with a partner like Verizon is essential to what we do and how we operate our vehicles at May Mobility.
Verizon has really been focused on connecting vehicles. We're building products that are focused on it, like our RTK network. We're building MEC platforms to transmit messages between infrastructure and automobiles, and even pedestrians and automobiles. I think we're really building cases that improve safety, and I think we do it better than anybody else.
At the end of the day, what I measure us on is, are we able to provide people with the mobility options that they need to live a better life? And moving people is how I measure that.